Once, the great Leo Tolstoy had mentioned that patience and time are the two great warriors of anyone's life. The first, if used efficiently, it will definitely help anyone to stay in a calm situation, whatever the condition is. And the second one, if used meticulously, certainly it will help to complete the task, any kind of task, within time and to balance their life also in a proper manner. Today, we all, including me also, SB sir, we are going to discuss the importance of time in our preparation for NEET. We will be seeing that how to manage time during that of the NEET exam itself. As every time I used to see from my students that they are having a very common complaint. Sir, how to manage the time during that of NEET itself. Today, we'll discuss that thing only, that how to manage the time during that of NEET exam itself. Let's see. Time, it's a big healer. And today we are going to see that how we can inculcate this healing factor within ourselves so that we can go in a very confident manner within that of the exam hall, and we can come out of the exam hall with a very big smile in that of our face itself. We are going to see what can be the best tricks in order to manage our time during that of the exam period itself. As per me, as per SB sir, I always used to like say to that of my students that while you are preparing for that of your paper, think your exam duration to be in minutes rather than that of hours. That means, allow me to explain, that means your art NEET paper, it is comprising of 180 questions. So when we are saying that it is comprising of 180 questions, we should be thinking that all these 180 questions should be solved in 180 minutes rather than that of 3 hours. As soon as we are saying that 180 questions should be solved in that of 180 minute itself, psychologically it is putting an impact into that of our mind itself, that per question we are having 1 minute each. That means what? It will help us to analyze the easier questions. It will help us to keep time aside, time required for those questions which are easier one, and to keep the desired time for those questions which are a bit complicated one. And as per me, this will be the first trick and will be the most important psychological practical approach in order to prepare for that affair exam itself. I always used to emphasize on that of strategical solving of that of the paper. जब भी मैं मेरे स्टूडेंट्स के साथ बैठता हूं, मैं हमेशा उनको ये बोलता हूं कि भाई जब तुम लोग अपने पेपर के बारे में सोच रहे हो तो पेपर को क्यों ना हम लोग एक सेक्शंस में हम लोग को उसको डिवाइड करें. किस तरीके से? These 180 questions, as per me, 180 questions, it can be easily approached as like 4 sections. First section, as per me, it should be starting, you should be starting with that of biology itself. So out of 180 minutes, you should be keeping minimal time for biology because you can easily solve that paper. So 40 minutes you can keep it for biology itself. You can keep 70 minutes for section 2, that is physics. You can keep 60 minutes for section 3, that is chemistry. And as per me, the last section, that is one of the most important section, that is the revision. That means what? यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है? Whatever the questions in which you were uncertain with, all those questions you can come back over here in these last 10 minutes itself, and you can solve all those questions in last 10 minutes, and like you can gain more amount of confidence itself. So if I'm compiling all these 4 sections, it will be 180 minutes or 3 hours can be approached for us. So trick number 2 from my end, it should be a strategical time limit planning for that of a paper. It should be there. Most importantly, while you are getting the paper in your hand, do always remember, don't solve the paper in a very hastened manner or in a very fast manner itself. क्या जल्दी है यार? उसको पेपर मिला है, पेपर को आराम से देखो, आराम से देखने के बाद each and every questions को analyze करो and then go for solving that one. Okay, don't make too hurry. अचानक से टाइम देख रहे हो, अरे बाप रे इतना टाइम चला गया, इतना टाइम चला गया, क्या होगा? डोंट थिंक लाइक दैट. थिंक that you have to solve the complete paper. You are having 180 minutes in your hand. You had planned that 40 minutes में आपको आपका बायो सबसे पहले खत्म करना है, तो शुरू करो उस तरीके से. Don't solve the paper in hurry. Most importantly, जो भी क्वेश्चन में आप सर्टेन नहीं हो, all those questions in which you are uncertain or you are non-confident, don't waste your time behind those questions itself. Okay, एक बार तुमको देख के समझ में आ रहा है कि ये क्वेश्चन जो है वो काफी ज्यादा अनसर्टेन है तुम्हारे लिए, leave those questions and leave those questions especially for those last 10 minutes itself. जो भी end में मैंने जो revision का section मैंने बताया उसके लिए you keep those questions ahead itself. So don't waste your time for solving those questions in which you are uncertain with. You can leave those uncertain questions for last 10 minutes as I said you. Most importantly, do remember that 0 marks is always better than that of -1. इसको गलत तरीके से मत समझना. मैं क्या कहना चाहता हूं कि like if you are attempting those questions in which you are uncertain and in which you are not having that much amount of confidence, there is always a chance that it will be helping you to score -1. And if you're scoring -1, that will automatically like help you to get your total marks in a reduced manner. Sarcastically saying, I'm saying. Okay, so for that reason, I always used to say that in a particular question in which you are uncertain, if you're leaving that question also, that will not matter. But if you're attempting that question and if that question is an incorrect one, that will score you -1 itself in that case. So try to reduce your incorrect markings itself in that case. Always stress over filling of that of the OMR in a very stressless condition. That means what? Emphasize over filling that of your answer sheet in a very stressless condition itself. ये बहुत बार मैंने देखा हुआ है, इतने सालों से मैंने देखा हुआ है. Most of the students, majority of the students, due to I don't know why, they used to panic, they used to like get tense during that of the exam hall or whatever is it. इतनी जल्दबाजी करते हैं कि like they are filling that OMR, they are thinking that they are solving that OMR correctly, but darkening is becoming something like incorrectcy in their paper itself, जिसकी वजह से उनका marks drastically it is coming down in that case. So always do emphasize over filling the OMR very correctly. And in order to sort out, you can download, you can get like sample OMR sheets from any of the sources. You can get it from internet, from any of the sources itself. Get as much photocopy as you want, and whatever the questions you are solving in your home, try to solve all those questions in like in these OMRs itself by keeping a stopwatch on. So as soon as you're keeping a stopwatch on, automatically that will help you to keep a check on that of your time limit itself. Most importantly, don't panic. Keep your nerves strong. Do remember, this is merely an exam only. And if you're doing very well, without fearing of anything, you are going to get your deserved, your desired college itself. Keep your passion high and always keep your time limit in a check itself. Okay, if you're getting nervous, if you're getting panicked, your time limit will be dwindling, and if it is dwindling, automatically तुम सब लोगों का marks जो है वो down हो जाएगा. Keep a time limit, keep your time limit in check, keep your passion high, and keep your nerves strong. Certainly, success will touch you. Certainly, success will be coming to you itself. Best of luck from my end. Subscribe. And we are going to bring more such motivational and inspirational as well as conceptual videos very soon to you all people itself. Most importantly, think high, play high, as well as practice a lot. You are going to achieve whatever you are desiring. Thank you, everybody.